Hi, today we are making a heart window favor box. Let's get started in Design Space. I'm going to start by opening up images, searching bag, then filter out project type and click 3D. This is the one I chose. Right here I'm resizing it. Then I go over to shapes and I choose the heart. I place that where I want it. And then I'm also resizing that and fixing the position. Next, I'm going to select the heart and the box only, and I'm going to slice them. Then I'm going to delete those heart slice results. I will move the score line back to the top, and I will select the score line and the box and attach them. Now I'm just going to resize this box so that I can fit 2 on a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock paper. I click make it, and here I will select 2 project copies and apply that. And then I just click continue. Then I go over to my mat and put my paper on top and use my brayer to secure that down. Then all I have to do is load it into my Cricut Explorer 3 and let it do its thing. Once it finishes cutting it out, I bring my mat, flip it over, and pull the mat away from the cutout pieces. This helps so that the paper doesn't fold and it comes out nice and flat. Then I will just score along the lines, and I'm going to use some adhesive tape runner to add some all around the inside part of the box around the heart. Then I'm going to put the window down. The window was made by running a laminate sheet through my laminating machine and just cutting it down to size. Now I'm going to use my tape runner to close off the box. Now I've added some candy to my box, and I am running some ribbon through the holes, and I will use the ribbon to close off this little box. I'm just going to tie a little bow, and that'll be it. As you can see, it's not hard, and you can change out, if you don't want a heart, you could add any other shape to it, so it can be very easily customized. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy crafting!